first YouTube video that I've posted in quite a while, but the plan is to be a lot more active over here now. I have been pretty active on TikTok and Instagram. There are a few videos over there that I haven't cross-posted onto YouTube, so give me a follow over there if you want to see them. I recently asked on my Instagram stories for some questions that I said I'd answer in a Q&A over here on YouTube, and I got a few, so I'm going to answer them now. The first one is, what is your favourite supermarket? So in an ideal world where I had an unlimited budget, I would probably exclusively shop at Waitrose, but that is not my reality. So we tend to do a Christmas and an Easter shop at Waitrose, and the rest of the year I swap and change a lot between supermarkets. If I want to get a delivery, I usually go for Asda. Sometimes I'll also go for Sainsbury's, but obviously that's a little bit pricier, but not necessarily if you get a lot of the basics range. And if I'm shopping in person, if I'm on a really tight budget, I'll go for Lidl. We don't have an Aldi near us. And just because of convenient location, there's a Morrison's that I tend to go to quite a lot as well sometimes. So yeah, I don't really have a favourite supermarket. It's more about convenience, apart from Waitrose, of course. Next question is, do you prefer sweet or savoury? I'm not really sure about this one. I do have a sweet tooth and I love baking cakes and biscuits and things like that. But I am trying to keep an eye on my sugar intake, so I have been baking a bit less recently. And if I do bake, I try and make things for the kids that I'm not that keen on. So I suppose I prefer sweet, but I am eating more savoury options at the moment. And another question was, were you a Tupperware rep? I think this is because I quite often show my Tupperware bread box and a few other things I used to store food in, but I was never a rep. I just really like the products. So we're halfway through the year and my food budget's getting out of control again. So today I have made a list of everything in my freezer, and I'm gonna set myself a summer holidays challenge to try and buy as little food as possible because we've got so much that I need to use up. I'll obviously still need to do top-ups for things like milk and fruit and veg, but we have got a lot of food in the freezer. This is just the freezer. I haven't even done the cupboards, and I know we've got a lot of ingredients and things in there. I have slipped into old habits of buying easy things to just bung in the oven when I have got ingredients which I could make lots of different meals with. So I'm gonna make myself a meal plan. I'm gonna work out how many meals I've got in the freezer, and then I'm gonna work out what meals we can have each week in the summer holidays with what we've already got. I don't usually do a formal meal plan, but I think that this challenge calls for it. So I've just found a basic meal planner on Canva, and I've made myself 6 copies, and I'm going to put a meal in for each day of the week. And instead of the shopping list section, because obviously I'm not going to be doing much shopping, I've put a little side dishes list of sides that I can add with these meals, like carrots or salad or baked beans. And I've done it in red because that is the only ink I actually have in my printer at the moment. It's not for any design reason. So I'm going to print this out and have it in the kitchen so I don't feel like I need to make a new decision every day. I've got it all there planned out for me. I don't have to think about it. I just need to remember to take what I'm making out of the freezer in time for it to defrost for that night. And I think I might set a little alarm on my phone to make sure that I remember that. When I did the freezer audit, I also realised I had loads of bananas that were about to go off. So I decided to make a banana bread with them, which we like to have as a snack or breakfast sometimes. I've started using Elavate collagen in my coffee and I've really noticed a difference. I'll put a little before and now up on the video. And they've very kindly given me a discount code which you can use. I'll put it here on the screen. It gives you 10% off and the link is in the description below if you want to try it. So if you have any other questions for me, let me know in the comments and I'll answer them in my next video. Or if there are any type of videos that you'd really like to see, then let me know that as well. I'd love to hear from you.